Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Assemble a sturdy conductor, protective gear, and a containment vessel so you can catch raw electrical force. Once done, head to a known high point aligned roughly north-south, because elevation and orientation change the strike probability. Make sure to consult weather patterns within 24 hours and prepare a ritual circle. This focuses intent and reduces stray discharges. Start the chant or signal when storm cells are within range. This synchronizes timing and increases your chances of attracting the bolt. You now focus on precise timing and control. Position your conductor upright in the center of the ritual circle and anchor grounding stakes 10 to 15 meters away to manage overflow. Once storm activity peaks, start a phased invocation. First call to draw attention, then direct with deliberate gestures, and finally anchor with a sharp, single command. This channels the strike toward the conductor rather than your body. Make sure to keep the containment vessel aligned and ready. Correct posture and steady breathing. You complete the process by sealing the lightning into your containment lattice and stabilizing it with a binding chant so the energy conforms to the vessel's field. Once captured, cool and insulate the exterior, and document the storm signature and time for future reference. If you sense instability or humming, stop and disconnect grounding points, then retreat at least 20 meters. Allow the charge to bleed off for 15 to 30 minutes before reapproaching. This troubleshooting step prevents dangerous feedback and preserves your equipment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.